Let me show you my rings. Okay, this one I bought from Saudi Arabia. It has like Allahu Akbar is written on this ring. Can you see that? It's a mirror effect, you can't see clearly, but it's Allahu Akbar. So I bought it from Saudi Arabia, and this one is also somewhat antique and artistic type. And I'm wearing some
I
sandals.
like both of them. I like both of
Oh,
them.
thank you. I love rings. Do you like? What do you like in jewelry? Hairbands or what? Hairbands,
I
pony.
don't. No, I like only like I only like earrings.
Oh,
I like only
lovely.
earrings.
Oh, lovely. And what about Aksa? Aksa, what do you like
Ear,
in jewelry?
earrings, earrings.
Earrings.
No,
Oh,
I like earring and a necklace.
oh, lovely. I do love necklace a lot. I'm wearing earrings, but I'm not wearing any necklace right now. So I was wearing it. Okay, so
Can
okay.
I go to Benin carrot?
Oh yeah,
They
sure.
have no
But
more
you have
carrot.
to come back quickly, okay? You can bring it. If you want to eat it, you can bring it, but you have to come back quickly, okay? Go and quickly come back. Okay, meanwhile, Aksa is going to tell me about the story task that I have given you. So did you prepare any story?
Well,
Did you prepare any story?
yes,
Okay,
it is this.
wonderful. Wonderful. So tell me, what is your story? Okay, I'm all ears. I'm ready to listen to your story. First thing, you are not allowed to read from your notebook. So you just can take some guidance, but you are not allowed to read it, okay? So tell me in your own words.
Oh, carrot. Okay. Annie story. Annie the sun. Wait. The Annie story. The sun rose over the horizon. It shone on the lovely.
On your words, on your words, on your own words.
Okay. As the sun. Uh, uh,
What was happening?
wait. Hmm. Oh, I didn't make any story. That's why I write it for any story.
You wrote a story in your notebook?
Yes.
Okay, so what about Alpha? Alpha, did you make any story?
No. I make, but it was too late, and I cannot make the story. But it is so long, so it that
No, I didn't
uh,
get. You made the story or no?
no. I did make the story, but it was very long, so I was making then.
Okay, so
Uh,
now are you able to explain it? Are you able to tell me that story which you have made?
okay.
Okay, but you have to finish it in 5 minutes, okay? You have to sum it up
Okay.
in 5 minutes, okay? What are you having, Aksa?
Good.
Oh, lovely. Oh
Carrot.
yeah, you told me once that you love carrot. Okay, so when you will be done with
I also like carrot now. It's so
ah,
juicy inside, but the outside is not very good. But inside is so good.
oh, so you like it because it's juicy. It's nutritious as well. So
But
it
it's
makes you
not juicy, so I sometimes eat and sometimes not eat.
so you don't like the dry one. I also don't like the dry one. The more yeah.
One evening, Tom and her friends were walking home from school.
Hmm.
Was
Okay, there was a girl. She was walking. She was walking
really
back from the school, and what happened next?
Suddenly there was a cloud,
Loud.
a loud,
Mm-hmm.
a loud.
Allow. Okay, like you are saying, forget it. You just can see the point. You have to
Clap
tell
of
me. Hmm, when you coming back, when she was coming back from the school, what happened with her?
she was she was with her friends.
Okay.
Then suddenly suddenly there were so many clouds and rain falling down.
Oh, it was raining, and she was coming back with her friends,
Very
and
big
suddenly rain
raining,
start. Okay.
very big raining.
It was raining. It was very like rain was, when it falls like when it is very fast. So we call it like it rains like cats and dogs. It rains like cats and dog. It means that it was very fast. It was heavy rain. Heavy rain means it like whenever it rains heavily, we call it rains like cats and dog. What do we call it? It
Cats and
rains
dogs.
like cats and dogs. Okay, perfect. So it's a phrase, it's a proverb kind of. Okay, so go on. Then what happened next?
My because our cloud is now like
Bless.
low.
Okay, we are putting.
Can you put the call and we'll call with my tablet? Also tablet.
With
Okay,
our first tablet.
okay, perfect. I'm waiting. No problem. I'm waiting. You can switch it.
How can you do it fast?
Oh, you have made it quick. You're so quick, mashallah. That's amazing. That's impressive. Okay, so Aksa and Arfan, if you will finish your story quickly, then you can see on screen that it's a game night. We are going to play a very interesting game right after that. So I'm all ears. I'm all ears to listen to your story. So be quick, quickly tell me the entire story that you have made.
Tell your story.
Yes,
Okay,
Arfan, go on.
the big rain.
The rain
I
was,
don't know
it
what
was,
it is. Started to fall from the sky. It is
the
raining.
rain was falling heavily. The
And
rain was falling heavily.
his one friend and his one friend say it is raining. It was rain and he was so happy. And his another friend say we don't have
An umbrella.
no, we don't have. Oh, इतना का टाइम है सबका टाइम
Cut.
निकाल उसे
We don't have cut umbrellas or raincoats. We are going to get wet and
Oh,
catch a food.
let her read on her own. Your turn will come. Aksar, your turn will come
Wet,
right after that. Okay, yeah.
wet and get wet and catch a cold.
Okay, so you mean
Cold.
that they got afraid that they are going to get
If
cold
if
because of rain
if
because they didn't have any umbrella.
if if we walk
Mm-hmm.
in rain
Hmm. If we walk in the
in
rain, if we walk in the rain,
in when
Yeah.
we walk in the rain.
Hmm.
I have any idea. Tell, tell. Let's wait
Hmm.
underneath the
Hmm.
roof of this house till the rain stop.
Hmm.
So Tom, her friends ran to
Hmm.
take
She ran back to her house. Okay.
shelter.
Okay. She ran back to God's shelter. Okay.
Good. I love the horn. I love the horn. Can you go up?
Okay. Can I
Scroll
move a little
up.
bit? Okay. Do I need to scroll up a little bit up?
Okay. No. Okay, down.
I'm liking this one.
No. Go there's a okay, go up. No. Yeah, no. Okay, this one.
Okay, it's you know what do we call it? We call it pony. These are pony. These are animals, and we call it pony. What do we call it?
Pony.
Pony. Yes.
Elephant.
Yeah, pony. I also love them. Let me. Okay. So you were telling me the story that they didn't have any umbrella, and they were afraid like they will get cold. They will, and then one of the friend ran somewhere to find the shelter. And what happened next?
Under the roof, under the roof, as they stood
Mm.
under the roof,
Mm. Yes.
a
then?
bumblebee
Okay, a bumblebee.
came by the bee beginning to hover around
Hoover. It would be Hoover.
No,
From where are you reading this?
Cusly.
Did you make it on your own? Did you make it on your own?
no.
Who made this? Who made this story?
Me, but I did all a little bit. So because when you were calling, so my mom little bit do it, but you're coming then we left. My mom was taking her phone and don't write the
So your
story.
mom was helping you
But
out.
it's right.
You can't take help. Ah, so you didn't make a story on your own. Why is it so?
But I know like I do only
You did?
medium, so and my mom do medium and I do little bit big and
Okay, what actually I want is that you make a story on your own. It is not necessary that you use difficult words. What is important is that you make something on your own. So give it a try and make your story. Like the easiest way is that, like today, what you have to do. Today, before going to bed and when you are ready to sleep, do talk to your sister. Okay, so Aksha will tell story.
and my mother tell to her and Cusly begins to
Okay, listen to me. What you have to do now? Okay, listen to me.
begins to feel very afraid. There is a bumblebee,
B.
uh, a bumblebee, her
It's okay. It's
Yeah.
okay. Listen to me. Listen to me.
here it may Yes.
Okay, listen to me, listen to me. It's okay, it's okay. We will continue it tomorrow, no problem. We will do the
Done
story
now.
session, no problem.
It's
I
done.
want you, yeah, I want you to come up with your own
You're a
story.
king now.
Okay? Okay,
You're
so
a queen.
I'm looking like a queen. You two are also princesses,
Why
mashallah.
are your cheeks like this? Why are your cheeks are like this?
I don't know, like they are bulky or what? I guess I smile a lot. That is why they are a little bit. My chin is a little bit up because of.
Yeah, when we laugh, the skin go right here and right here. When you don't smile, it will be flat.
I'm little bit bulky and I have a lot of fats on me, so that is why I'm not skinny at all.
I love cats. I love cats, but my mom was afraid from cats, and I'm not afraid of cats.
I'm talking
I
about
love
fats.
cats.
I have fats on me, on my body. I have fats. I'm not skinny. Like, you know, skinny persons are very smart and slim. They don't have fats over there. When they smile, they don't have their chin don't lift up and
Can
yeah.
you show the cat?
Oh, I don't have any cat right now.
The fish.
Yeah, fish. I will show you. Someday. Whenever there will be there will be any issue with my laptop or there won't be any internet or electricity, then that day I'm going to show you fish. So right now it's a game night and I'm going to start it and both of you are going to enjoy a lot. So can you see the screen? Shall I start?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. At
Game
first,
night.
so you have to follow the instructions. Whatever is written over here, you have to do. Okay. So what you have to do? Be quick.
Give me
Quick. High
Give
five.
me high five.
High five.
High five.
Yes.
High
Next one. Be quick. You have to be quick. Give me 5 things.
Thank you. Campfire in kitchen.
Be quick. Name it quickly. Quickly.
Gloves. No, gloves.
Plant.
Gloves.
Gloves. Okay. Next. Be quick.
And oven.
Oven. Okay. Quickly.
A drawer. Drawer.
Okay. Plants.
And
Drawer.
And cup.
Cup. Okay. And
The knife and the spoon and the fork.
the knife, the spoon, and the fork. Very nice. And quickly or more.
Basin.
There's this wash basin. Yes. And
And the jug. Small jug, medium jug, small jug.
there are 3 shapes of. There are 3 sizes of jugs. Okay. Jars. They are jars basically. There are 3 sizes of jars. And
What do you call this?
there's a chimney.
Oven.
Okay,
I
oven.
already said it's oven.
Oven. And there is electricity chimney. Electric chimney. Right above the oven, there is an electricity.
The marker ray.
Next. More.
How
There is
many
a switchboard. There is a
only
switchboard.
The 3.
3 left. Be quickly. There is a switchboard as well. Yes, and there's a tap, water tap,
Plant.
light, the light.
Pot.
Yes, there is a pot. Yes, there is a pot on oven.
Window. The
Window. Yes.
The drawer.
And
And a door.
there are curtains over the window. Be quick. 2 more names. Only 2 more names. Be quick.
What?
Only
Really?
2 more. Yes, 2 more.
Towel on the oven.
Towel on the oven. Perfect. One more. Be quick. One more. Be quick.
The jar on the left side. The jar on the left side.
The jar. You are already done with the jar. Search something else.
something is very right and right no left side. Our left and your right.
Okay, what is that? Can you name it?
It's I can't. Okay, floor.
A door handle and floor. Yes, a roof, floor, door handle, tiles, a shelf. There are so many things that we can identify. Okay, so let's move toward the next one. Okay, be quick. Be quick. Read it out. Read it out.
Chair, fan, books, and the pen, windows, white wall, shelf, the table, and black windows,
Yes, yes,
lights.
yes.
How many of them? How many of them is?
You have
Two.
to name. You have to name. Don't see this.
Don't
Don't look at the numbers. Drawers.
Drawer.
There are so many drawers. Moving chairs. Okay.
Table.
Table.
Or a table.
Floor. Yes. Table.
The
Yes.
window.
Window.
The
And right
window
behind
and
the window.
door.
What
And
is
a
it?
door.
Or door.
Doors.
But
I already said window
what
and a
is
door.
right? What is right behind the window?
A house.
There are some house, buildings, apartments. Okay. What next? What next? Be quick. Be quick. I can see so many things.
And many things.
There's carpet.
Right.
Lights, tube lights, carpet, notebooks. Be quick. Be quick. Be quick.
And a switch. A switch. You can see very long. There's a switch.
Yes.
When we
yes, yes.
charge our phone, our tablets, like that.
Okay. One more thing you have to identify. It's very tiny, and it is used to open further more things. You have to identify it now. What is that which is used to open some other thing? Be quick. Identify it. Be quick.
Book.
Now, there is something which is very tiny. It's very tiny, little inside. It's black in color, but it is actually used to open some other thing.
Drawer. No, I already said it. It's not so tiny.
Yeah.
The coffee, the hole, and some coins. They put
Something. There is something in the picture which we actually use to open another thing. What do we? Yes, a key. Exactly. Okay. And there is something. And there is something which we actually utilize to hold other things, to keep other things in it. What is that?
Door.
Yes, door, and there is something which we have not named yet. This is something which we have
I
not named
think
yet.
pen.
Holder. Pen holder. Pen holder. Pen holder. Pen holder, yes. It's pen holder. Okay, perfect. Again, quickly. Quick. Next one.
There's trees, a tree walls, grass. I will tell. No.
Both of you. You
Both
don't have to grow. Both of you can tell.
leaves, trees, grass, and walking place, trees, wood, leaves, and a park.
Yes.
And there's a swing, a slide. Background, you can see a yellow. What is that? You cannot see. That's the new one.
There are some people playing around, and there are leaves.
And there's a tent. I think in very right side you can see it.
And there is a passage. There is a passage.
Yeah.
Can you see the passage? Where is the passage?
Where?
Can you identify the passage?
Here.
Color it immediately. Color it. By using the marker, color it. Color this passage.
This one?
And tell me where the passage is. No, here, it's here. This is passage. Passage is used. Passage is used to
This
cross
one.
this road. This road is actually known as passage. What do we call it? Passage. Yes, exactly. Oh, lovely. We call it passage. Passage. When you pass by. This is a way to pass by. So this is known as passage. Okay, wonderful. Let's move towards the next one. Okay. So tell
Stop
me.
doing it.
Okay,
They
fine.
are building
I did-
and they are building
Building thousand building, a large
building, and in the building there are windows,
and there's a
on the right side.
pool.
And they are not poor.
Okay, no,
They are not poor. Poor for swimming, not for
swimming.
It's a lake. It's a lake. It's a lake. Okay.
just a small lake.
It's a lake. Okay.
It's
In
a
the
lake. Big lake.
lake,
And there's a big building.
these big buildings are known as skyscrapers. Skyscraper.
Scrapper. And
Sky.
there's a shop, and they have
They are trees. They are trees. They are umbrellas. They are trees.
Look at right here.
They are
Oh,
trees.
sorry.
They are umbrellas. They are
Here, look it here.
Yeah, there are some umbrellas. Yes.
No, there's umbrella here in right side, and left side there's a playground.
Yeah, there is a playground. You can see that as well. Wow, lovely.
You're kidding me.
Okay, in case
And-
this, if this meeting ends, I don't know why they are showing that it's running out of time. In case if this meeting ends, you have to reconnect on the same link. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
They are not talking about things. They are talking about birds.
Yeah, they are talking about buildings. So you have to talk about well, Perth. What Perth is? You know, Perth is a city.
Building has
In
really
Australia.
building has
Perth is a city in
building,
Australia.
They are stones. They are
they are windows and
roofs on the building.
Yes, and I am showing you a picture of Perth City. Perth City. Which city? Perth City. This is Perth City, which is in Australia. So I'm showing you this picture, but what you have to do is
this one.
This picture is from Australia. This is city Perth.
This.
Yes, this entire picture is from Perth.
This one.
Perth. Yes, Perth. Yes, Perth.
Okay.
Okay,
Can I
and
get?
all these buildings are skyscrapers because
The
very
small
big.
one.
The small one will not be known as skyscraper. A building which has a lot of stories is known.
Teacher, did you know French?
Oh no, I don't know. Do you know that? Do you know French? Can you speak it?
Yes. But a little bit. Bonjour mean hi.
Bonjour. Yes.
Maximine.
Comment
Comment
ça
ça
va?
va, Maximine? Hello.
Hello.
No,
comment ça va? Yes,
Ça va
comment ça
bien,
va?
Max? Ça va bien, Maxime?
I don't know more, but I used to have a cell phone in my childhood. So when I used to turn it on, it used to say bonjour, comment ça va? So these words are like stuck in my head now. So
Comment ça va mean how are you?
how are you? Okay, lovely.
I'll show you something. I'll just show you the French book.
I'm fine.
I'll just show you a French book.
No,
I'll just show you a French book.
it's okay. You can show after this game. You are not allowed to.
No. Maximine, thank you.
Maxi, oh lovely. Maxi means thank you. Okay, so let's move toward the next one. Next one. Give me 5 teams of. Give me 5 vegetables. Give me 5.
Tomato, cabbage, broccoli, leaves, I think onion, carrot, cucumber, chili,
Capsicum.
capsicum, I don't know. Eggplant. What is there? This. Oh, sorry. The red one.
This is
What is that?
capsicum. This is capsicum.
Capsicum.
This is a vegetable.
Yes. And what do we call this?
I have little bit.
Parsley.
I think-
Parsley. Parsley.
And this is called, I don't know.
You don't like it, I must say.
No, I don't like this. I don't like this. And this is cucumber.
Cucumber.
And this is cucumber and this.
And chili.
Oh,
Cabbage. Can you identify the cabbage?
cabbage.
Can you identify the tomatoes?
Yes, and onions.
Yes, onion. Okay,
We are
and
talking
what else we
about
have left?
5 vegetables, not
Yes,
so many.
It's okay, but I want you to name so many. I want you to name as many as they have mentioned. Okay, so
Onions,
perfect.
Tomato, chili, carrot, and tomatoes also. Exercise.
Give me 5 activities at home. What do you do at home? Some people dance around.
Games. They have games and take bath. I said first.
Okay, both of you, one by one. One by one. Okay, so Alpha's done. Alpha, what do you do at home?
Okay, we first play games and first we play games in night.
It's okay. Let her speak.
First
Okay,
we wake up and wash our face because our eyes are so closed. Like we are old and we cannot see everything. And to wear our glasses like that. So
at night
then
time
we
or in the
wake
morning?
okay, when in morning.
Okay, so
Then
when
we
you
wake up in morning.
wake up,
Then we wake up. Some children like play games when they don't wash their face, their eyes, and also their sometimes some kids and their friends are and
so when you wake up for the class in the morning, so it is very hard for you to open your eyes, and then you rub them off so that you are at least able to see. That is what you are saying? Alpha, that's
Yes.
what you're saying. Okay, perfect. Go on. Then what happens then? And there are some kids who don't even wash their hair, wash their face when they come.
and some kids are so annoying and say I'm a bad boy and I'm so angry and I will nothing to do and I will not do homework like that.
Oh, there are some annoying kids as well in your class. Then how your teacher handle them?
Oh no, some people have a kid and they're so annoying. I don't have not in the class,
Oh.
not in the class.
Have you seen any annoying kids so far? Have you experienced? Okay, tell me about yourself. What type of a kid you are? Are you the annoying one, or the calm one, or the one who doesn't do anything, and the one who is quiet, or the one who is short? What type of kid you are? Would you like to tell me? Would you like to tell me, Asarfa?
Okay, teacher, was like teddy bears. I hate teddy bears.
It's their personal choice.
1, 2, 3, and I hate teddy bears. I hate you so much.
Why
Why
teddy
you want to be a teddy bear? Teacher, do you know how to say 1, 2, 3 till 10 in French?
Oh no, I don't know how to say that.
I know a little bit, but I cannot read till 6.
Okay, so you know
I
the
can only
numbers.
read till 5.
Lovely.
I can only read till 5. 0.
Oh, what's that?
Look at drawing.
What is that? I can't see it clearly. Is that telephone or what?
It's wait.
I can't see it clearly. Okay, so let me continue with what are you seeing in the screen? Tell me. What are you seeing on the screen?
What you want to?
I'm says what I am.
So it
I am
means, what am I? It means I'm going to have a riddle with you. So I'm going to ask you certain questions and you have to guess what I'm talking about.
Just look at my drawing.
No.
Oh, lovely. It's lovely, but I'm not understanding what you have made. What's that? Can you tell me in your words? Would you like to tell me in your
It
words?
is written Corona, and there's a girl and she's crying and she's wearing a mask and somebody is in her neck.
Oh,
Who's that?
lovely.
The coronavirus is going inside her neck.
Aksa, do one thing. Make a drawing once again about giving charity to someone and send it to me. I will send you a drawing for the competition, right? I will send you a drawing to the competition. So do send me, okay? Today, make a drawing on charity. There is a competition going on in Pakistan. There's a competition going on in Pakistan. It's a painting or drawing competition. So I will share your drawing with them. So maybe you win a prize. It will be an